Welcome back to my new video. So basically, if you're watching this video on 24th, that means you are basically, winning one of the luckiest one who is actually concerned about his future and basically his result of 2027 board examinations. So basically about me, I gave my board examination ICC 2026. And if you think that I'm not a person to be reliable, so basically, you just need to know a lot about about me. And basically, what are the main questions? Let's move on to the topic. Just basically what are the main questions, which I myself felt, but basically no one replied them, no one answered them because I was not having that proper guidance. But I can actually guide you according to my mistakes, according to my achievements, what I did in the whole class 10th session. So basically, first of all is what to study. So basically, since the time is March, and basically, you're having your examination nearly in February. So basically, you're having full 1 year, and basically, I just want to say you, I just want to give you one advice that basically, study in detail. Don't just cram things, and basically just start studying things from conceptually, and basically and not very detailed, but you should be conceptually clear, because ICSE is getting more and more tougher day by days and year by year, because it is adding CBQs, that is competency based questions, and basically you need to have a very good command on the concept rather than cramming. So basically what to study is simply only the syllabus, obviously, and basically but just basically focus on concepts rather than cramming and all that. Then the other thing is from where to study. Yeah, that's a very big question, like where to study. You're obviously going to school if you if you are in a 10th grader. So basically you're going to school, so basically yeah, you will be gonna be being taught in the school. So basically yeah, whatever is being taught in the school, please bro, just remember it carefully, just listen it carefully and understand the concept behind it, rather than cramming and just writing down on the pages, writing down on the copies that won't basically work on the last days. So basically the thing is, just basically whatever that is being taught in the school, basically please listen it very carefully. Then the other question arises, if you're not gonna be very if you do not understand whatever it is being taught in the school, so basically what to do. So basically there are two main options. First of all is YouTube, then it is online batches like PW, and then it is offline tuitions. So basically according to me, please just don't fall into the trap of all these tuitions and all that, because there is much freer content in YouTube, and basically that's actually really very helpful, and that's really very sufficient, and you can actually grab 99% marks in ICC. I'm not really just saying lies, but yeah, basically I'm telling you about my own experience. So basically I just didn't took any online batches, never any tuitions. So basically I just studied from YouTube, from only that lectures I watched, that I felt that understands more conceptual understanding. So basically YouTube, that's really very sufficient, and basically online batches, it's least recommendable. And basically because you don't get the time to study, bro, you're actually spending the most of the time, 7-8 hours in your school, and then basically and then basically you mean that you will study basically after coming home also in tuitions, you'll basically spend your 2 to 3 hours. That's merely a wastage of time. You won't grab anything in your mind, bro. Just focus on the concept. That's not basically any of your business to go any tuitions and all that, at least until 10th, bro. Just basically move on to one thing which I just recommend you, that is your self study. That's the main thing, and that's the main perspective behind anything in your life what you are gonna be going ahead. So basically then it is the next question, that is what resource to use, what resource. So basically I'm just gonna be saying you that it is the beginning of the year, and basically basically it's basically you're having a lot of time, like I just really said that you are it is today March, and basically then you will be having your examination in Feb. So basically you're having a plenty of time. So basically please, first of all, the first main step is basically please study your school resources. Don't just jump into question banks, don't just jump into PYQs. Basically first of all, yeah, just basically grab the main thing, that is school resources, whatever the books which the school has provided. Please basically understand them carefully, rather than just jumping on one to two other books. I've just seen basically the students of my classes also, basically they had plenty of books of the same thing, same like maths के भाई उनके पास में मतलब 4-5 किताबें होती थी, and that was kind of a thing which actually disturbed you. But yeah, but basically just don't just fall into the trap of it. And basically once you have just finished your school resources, whatever all the books you have studied it nicely, and basically then you can move ahead with the question banks and PYQs very very nicely. But that's, yeah, actually it's very important. But basically in the initial step, just basically study the school resources and study your books only. So basically that was all for the video, and basically I hope you got some knowledge about it. And basically the I think ICC batch 2027 is gonna be rocking, and basically yeah, that was all of this video. And basically if you feel like anything, any query about board examinations, everything I'm gonna be telling you in my future according to my experience, what basically errors I felt in my life, what subjects which I encountered, and what subjects you can encounter, and what topic is the most difficult. I can help you with all of that. And if you like this video, do share, do like it and share it. And basically if you like it with the video, you can also subscribe it. And that's all for this video. Bye bye guys.